experts claim a grid of electromagnetic energy circles the Earth. Where these energy lines intersect, ancient civilizations built some of the world's most revered and mysterious structures. Could this ancient energy alignment have occurred by chance? Or could these ruins be evidence of an attempt to harness the Earth's magnetic field by an advanced alien race?
If this is true, this could absolutely change and alter everything we believe.
Compelling evidence has been unearthed that has turned the scientific community upside down. Slag used in copper smelting, recovered from a 5,000-year-old mine in Israel, shows the Earth's magnetic field was stronger and more variable than scientists ever imagined. Some paleomagnetists believe the Earth's magnetic field changed gradually. But the Israel discovery shows changes may also be dramatic and sudden. The sample dates from a time when Israel was a part of ancient Egypt. How could the Earth's magnetic field change so drastically? Was this change natural, or was it engineered?
It was like the ancient Egyptians already knew it thousands of years before the rest of us kind of discovered it.
Some experts believe the pyramids are more than just temples.
Resonant chambers.
Building upon previous theories, a man named Edward Malkowski claims the Great Pyramid at Giza performed a function that may have influenced the entire world. Malkowski's theories stem from the pyramid's interior design. He speculates that if the lower chamber were only a burial vault, immense space has been wasted. But if the chamber was an integral part of the overall design and performed a function, what could that function possibly be? He theorizes the Great Pyramid could have been a compression wave generator, which produced a vibratory effect. Pressure generated by pumping water from the Nile may have created a deafening sound inside the pyramid. Malkowski claims the pyramids may have been designed to connect as a network, harnessing sound waves. The pyramids were electrical generators, amplifying the Earth's natural electromagnetic frequencies, and maybe even strengthening its magnetic field. Did aliens control the Earth's magnetic field with a pyramid machine? And if so, does this manipulation have unforeseen side effects at the poles? The answer may have arrived decades ago in the frozen skies of Antarctica. Unsealed case file. Antarctic UFOs.
Check this out. This is the big chamber inside the big pyramid. Look, there's a pair of eyes. I can't believe these people missed all of this. There's another huge eye here. That's the pupil. Look at that, the pupil. There is a scenery all in the wall. I mean, I can see, I can make out. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. How these people missed this. Look at the two eyes right there, clearly. And then you have another face, right, and a scenery of different things in that wall. All they have to do is throw some water and it will show the entire thing. Look at that, the side wall, the wall is showing actually how the mechanism works. This whole entire connection is right there in front of their eyes. Look at that. I mean, from observing the reptilian structure, how they make, I can make out everything is in that wall. And it's right there in front of their faces. I cannot believe it. Look, even the reptile, the same thing, I'm looking in the moon, the same style of constructions, structure, sculpture are depicted here. Look at that shit. Oh my goodness. This is like looking at a three-dimensional image of something, a city or, oh man. I just cannot believe it. It's right in their faces. Look at that. It all started because I saw the pair of eyes. But now I'm seeing even more stuff there. It's showing all the machinery, all how everything it was built. And those guys in there had no clue, or whoever archaeologist was there. I'll bet you the whole entire wall is a pictograph of everything that they were doing in Egypt with those chambers. I can see tubes and strange machine-like things, sculptures. It's all in there. Everything is in there. Look at that. Wow. I cannot believe it. This guy has no clue what they have in front of them. It's still really easy to see. Whoa. I mean, this is like looking at one of those moon images of structures and stuff. It looks very advanced too. It's not some, rudimentary craft. No, this shit looks like very high-tech stuff. Incredible. Another pair of eyes. Like I say, they always put images on things. This is amazing, man. And yes, that's what it was. It was a resonant, electromagnetic resonant chamber that, just like Tesla say, that would be. This is amazing, man.
He speculates that if the lower chamber were only a burial vault, immense space has been wasted. But if the chamber was an integral part of the overall design and performed a function,
Exactly.
what could that function possibly be? He theorizes the Great Pyramid could have been compression wave generator, which produced a vibratory effect. Pressure generated by pumping water from the Nile may have created a deafening sound inside the pyramid. Malkowski claims the pyramids may have been designed to connect as a network, harnessing sound waves. The pyramids were electrical generators, amplifying the Earth's natural electromagnetic frequencies, and maybe even strengthening its magnetic field. Did aliens control the Earth's magnetic field with a pyramid machine? And if so, does this manipulation have unforeseen side effects at the poles? The answer may have arrived decades ago in the frozen skies of Antarctica. Unsealed case file. Antarctic UFOs. NICAB ufologist Richard Hall produced a report on an astounding number of sightings around the South Pole. Scientific observers at Antarctic research stations, manned by personnel of 3 nations, observed brightly colored objects maneuvering in the sky. July 1965, UK scientific outpost, Deception Island, Antarctica. For 20 minutes, 5 meteorologists observe a green and red light, occasionally turning yellow to the north. The object zigzagged, hovered, and at times accelerated. Argentinian-based Laurie Island, Antarctica. 2 scientists witness a round bluish-white object moving across the sky for 15 seconds. 2 variometers registered sudden and strong disturbances of the magnetic field. Chilean base, Deception Island, Antarctica. 9 people watch in terror as something streaks across the sky. The object traveled at high speed with an oscillating motion, hovering at one point, leaving a steam-like trail in its wake. Could UFO sightings in the North and South Poles be a sign that extraterrestrials are manipulating the world grid?
You can actually see openings in Antarctica where the entrance to inner Earth would be. The satellite images from Google Earth show Antarctica where the entrance to inner Earth.
Check it out. The same thing that Skipper was showing the images and the location of these entrances. And look what's around the area. All you have to do is look at the topography. You have reptile heads. There's one of them right there with a pair of eyes. I mean, you look at the topography, it's severely weird, with triangular shapes and other odd shapes. To study that because it's just strange. I mean, all the signs are there that that's an entrance to somewhere very special.